Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to send videos in Gmail. This is one of the easiest things that you can do in Gmail, so watch this video until the very end because I am going to walk you through this process step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Gmail app over here. And when you are on this screen, tap on this compose button at the bottom right. And then you can send an email. So I am going to type in my own email address as the recipient. You can type in whatever email address you like, and then you can type in a subject for this email. I am simply going to type in an example, and then if you want to send a video, just tap on this paper clip icon at the top, and then tap on attach file. And then when you are on this screen, tap on the videos option at the top. And it will only show you the videos that you currently have on your phone. One thing to keep in mind is that you cannot send a video larger than 25 megabytes, so you must select a video that is less than 25 megabytes. Simply tap on it to select. And then you can type in something if you want to, or you can simply send this as it is by tapping on this paper plane icon at the top. So, because I send it to myself, I can show you what it looks like once it arrives. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions about all of this, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a big fat juicy thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.